everyone. Welcome.
What is Donna Mitchell wearing? How is she dressed? And you can't just say the woman in the pink suit. We want as much detail as possible.
The first letter in our message, right? This one that I'm outlining in red. It's got a dot, so this is the key. So every letter's here.
This is the ESTA, the electrostatic detection apparatus. It is used by forensic scientists to look at indented handwriting.
So these are amazing, incredible students. They are incredible problem solvers.
Observation skills, communication skills. They learn to analyze, to synthesize, all of the things that teachers are trying to teach them inside of a classroom, but they actually get a hands-on experience at the Spy Museum that really facilitates that learning in a way that you cannot do inside of a classroom.